Greetings. Today in the Gospel, we see nothing is impossible for God. And even in physically impossible situations, God acts. And this situation I'm talking about is with Elizabeth, who was barren, and God acted and made her conceive a son. Elizabeth was a woman who, in her time, I sure was ashamed of her situation, not being able to conceive, and people who used to condemn or criticize her for not being able to bear a child. It was looked at as a curse, or even as you have done something against God. But God still acted in her life and give her a son, showing that he can act in any situation, in all circumstances of our lives. But it is not always easy to remain faithful to God in when we feel ashamed. I like to tell you about my mother, a personal situation about my mother who got me out of what people call wedlock. My mother was very ashamed that she was not married. She lived with that shame. And it was hard for her. And even as it growing up, I know my mother felt ashamed when people asked her, "Are you married?" Or even in the church, people criticize her. And she stopped receiving communion because she was an outcast, or was a leopard in our church. Let us not allow shame, allow disappointment, or anything in our life to make us not see the face of God. Let us turn to God in this season of Advent. During this Advent, let us remember that don't let shame cripple us, that God's love is always there, and God do not judge. He do not judge us, and he do not want us to be shameful. So come and prepare yourself to receive the God's love during this Advent, and his forgiveness and his mercy. Amen.